Aluminium windows have become a popular choice in modern architecture due to their sleek design, durability, and versatility. These windows are known for their lightweight yet sturdy frames, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Whether you're designing a contemporary home or upgrading an existing space, aluminium windows provide a clean, minimalist look that complements any style. One of the key advantages of aluminium windows is their flexibility in design. From sliding to casement and bifold options, they can be customized to fit various shapes and sizes, making them perfect for both large and small spaces. Durability is another major benefit. Aluminium windows resist corrosion, weathering, and wear, making them ideal for all climates. They are low maintenance and require only occasional cleaning to maintain their shine. Furthermore, aluminium is environmentally friendly, as it is 100% recyclable, making it a sustainable choice for eco-conscious homeowners. In addition to aesthetics and durability, aluminium windows offer excellent insulation when paired with double glazing. This combination enhances energy efficiency, reduces noise, and ensures comfort throughout the year. With their blend of style and practicality, aluminium windows are an excellent investment for any modern home.